I have been doing a lot of dovetailing recently, and it's been super fun, but I am a little frustrated with the layout tools. I picked up one of these little dovetail guides from Amazon, the black aluminum ones that I think everybody gets. And it's fine, but it's a little bit frustrating to use. It's pointy and really uncomfortable, and sometimes I put it down and then pick it up by the wrong end, and that means I get the wrong angle on my workpiece. It's just really frustrating. And then it's got this square bit in the back, which should be good for continuing your lines across the end grain, but it's not long enough, and it doesn't go all the way to the front of the board, so no matter what, you still need a separate square. And you know I love my vintage 6-inch combination square, but I don't love it as much for dovetailing. It's heavy and the rule is really narrow, so it doesn't balance very well. It's always trying to fall off the board. It works, but it's not ideal. And every time I'm using these two tools to lay out some dovetails, I can't help but think, wouldn't it be amazing if there was a tool that combined both functions in a single tool, but was actually optimized for dovetailing? So my company, Compass Rose Tools, invented this. We call it the dovetail square. It's a dual angle layout gauge and a precision tri-square in the same tool, and it's easy to use. I lay out my dovetail spacing just using a ruler, but there's tons of ways to do it, and I gauged my baselines just a second ago. Now I've got little tick marks that shows my spacing, and I want to turn those tick marks into nice clear lines across the end of the board, and the dovetail square is perfect for this. It's got a nice wide rule, and it's lightweight, so it's super easy to keep balanced, and it only takes me a second to turn those ticks into nice clear lines. Now I'm ready to draw in the angle for my tails, and the dovetail square gives you two angles. 1 in 5, which is traditional for softwoods, and 1 in 8 for hardwoods. And poplar is technically a hardwood, so I'm going to use 1 in 8. I'll put the dovetail square on the end of the board like this, and it's in angle gauge mode, and then I just need to line up my 1 in 8 line with the line I made across the end grain, and we've made the gauge section with a little window up here, so it's really easy to see your lines. I don't have to bend down or do anything weird, and I can just sketch in that line down to my baseline and move down to the next one. And when I get to the end of the board, I'm just going to flip my gauge around, line up my 1 in 8 with the line I made across the end grain, and continue across the end of the board in the other direction. And I like to put X's in my waist, and once that's done, I am ready to saw out my tails. But you know what? I really can't saw this piece yet because it's being held so poorly by this inexpensive vise. Vices like this aren't made to hold things upright for dovetailing, and they just flex way too much. But I've got good news. The Compass Rose vise block is back in stock, and it's just the thing to make this inexpensive vise work much better. All you have to do is tighten your vise until your piece is just about being held loosely, like this, then slide your vise block over. It's auto-adjusting, and it's automatically going to stop at the correct step, and then tighten your vise down. Now your vise is supported from both sides, and your piece is held rock solid. The new vise block is made from PETG, which stands for a bunch of words that I cannot say, but it's a tough, durable plastic. It's solvent resistant, UV resistant, perfect for this application, and we have a new manufacturing process that makes these cleaner and more precise than they used to be, but they're still the same great price. And good news, we also have left-handed models. You can pick up the right-handed, the left-handed, or maybe both at compassrosetools.com. And now that my piece is being held securely in the vise, I can finally saw those tails and chisel out my waist. Now, once your tails are cut and trimmed, you're going to need to transfer these shapes to your pin board. The way most people do that is by putting their pin board in their vise and then flushing it up with a hand plane, just like this. And then the plane moves back, and it can be a bridge that you set your tail board on, just like this. And you might want to check that you're flush on the side. Just use any old straight edge you happen to have handy. Perfect. And then hold your tail board down, take a pencil, and trace those tails onto your pinboard. After those shapes are traced, then you need to run those lines down the face of your board. And this is where my vintage 6-inch combination square always frustrates me, because every single time I go to dovetail, I have it set too long and it whacks into my vise. It's like buttered toast landing on the floor, butter side down. Every time. I've got to adjust it and make sure it's short enough, and then I can carry those lines. So with the Compass Rose dovetail square, we've designed the rule so that it's always the perfect length. Long enough to reach any normal set of dovetails, but short enough that it never goes crashing into your vise. You can quickly and easily run those pin lines down the face of the board, and then you're ready to saw your pins, chisel out your waste, glue and assemble those dovetails. And you might prefer to lay out your dovetails pins first, and that's no problem. Just take your dovetail square over to the end of your board, lay out your pins across the end grain, just like this. Cut them out, chisel your waste, and transfer your pin layout to your tailboard. It's basically what we just did, but in the reverse order. We spent the last year making sure the dovetail square is packed with useful features, like this little rectangle of material at the top of the rule. This keeps the tool steady when you're using it to lay out your dovetail angles. With the dovetail square, you can do super tiny tails and pins and get right up to the corner of your board, and you're always going to have 2 points of contact, good registration against the work, and you're going to strike accurate lines. We also put this little Roman ogee on the far side of the square, and that makes it super comfortable to grab, but it also gives you a second short tri-square, which is extra useful anytime you need to lay out lines across thin stock, like drawer sides, which often get dovetailed. Our square has a wide, compact design, so you can put it down on the bench just about any way you like, and it won't go anywhere. Our square won't fall over, and it'll be right where you left it when you go to pick it up. We included this little cutaway underneath the rule, so this corner right here can never get jammed up with glue or sawdust, and every time you strike a line with this, you can always run that line to the edge of the board. And we included a hang hole on the far end, because this is a small tool, and small tools get lost. The dovetail square is fully deburred. That means no sharp edges, no pointy corners. It's actually comfortable to hold in your hand. It's a little weird to say this, but this is Compass Rose's first premium tool, and we did everything at the highest possible quality. The tool is precision machined from solid aluminum. It's got a dark blue anodized finish and laser etched graphics, and we etched the numbers on both sides, so you won't get lost when you flip the tool around. The dovetail square and both the vise blocks are in stock and on sale right now at compassrosetools.com. Go ahead and pick these up for the woodworker in your life. Aw, hell, who am I kidding? Buy these for yourself. It's so much easier than explaining to somebody else what you want and what you're going to do with it. And once you get your new tools, you might need something to build. So we're putting all of our plans on sale for the holiday season. Everything is 50% off until Christmas. Go to rexkrueger.com/store to take advantage of that deal. It's only for a limited time, and we don't put our plans on sale very often. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. It is blatantly a commercial, and we really appreciate it. Happy holidays from everybody at Compass Rose Tools.